Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our new learning series, that is Python learning, and this is the very first video in our series, and this series is specially designed for absolute beginners. If you have never written a single line of code, don't worry, we are going to start from zero and learn Python step by step. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the understanding of Python, why it is so popular and easy to learn, and at the end, we are also going to write our first Python program. So let's start it. First of all, let's understand what is Python. Python is a high-level programming language. For now, don't worry about the term high level. The important thing is to understand that Python is designed to be easy for human to read and understand. Python is also called beginner friendly but very powerful. That means that you can learn Python as a complete beginner, but same language is also used professionally for many advanced application. One important thing about Python is as it's an free and open source. So anyone can use it, learn it, and contribute it to development. Now you might be thinking, why should I learn Python? So the reason is Python is versatile. It can be used in many fields including AI, machine learning, data science, web development, and automation, scientific computing, as well as in game development. So the main idea is one programming language can open the door to many other fields. So in between, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for updated videos. Why Python is more easy than other programming languages such as Java, C++, and many other. The first reason is readability. Python code is quite close to normal English and easily understandable. The second reason is its simple syntax. We don't need to memorize huge number of rules to write basic programs, and as well as the third reason is less code lines. For example, look at this: print hello world. This is a complete Python instruction and it's very easy to understand. We are just simply telling to computer that display hello world on the screen, and that brings us to first program. So let's write our first Python program. Look at the code: print hello world. When the Python runs this code, the output shown as hello world. So what do you mean by print? Print is actually a function which used to display information on screen. For now, don't worry about the understanding of functions. We will discuss these things in the upcoming videos. We are now just understanding how Python works and how the things interpreted on the screen. So just remember the simple idea that print means show something on screen. Now let's talk about the most important programming word, that is syntax. Means the rule for writing code correctly. Just like English has some grammar rules, programming languages also have some rules. For example, you can see on the left corner of the picture a code example written as print hello, print 25 and print 10 plus 5, and the output is shown in front of it in the form of hello, 25 and 15. Have you noticed something interesting? If you get it, write it in the comments below, and let me talk about what actually happening here. So when we write 10 plus 5, Python actually perform the calculation and give us 15. So syntax is basically the set of rules that helps Python to understand what we want it to do. We can use print function to display different type of information. For example, we can use it to print a text such as hello, as well as a number. An example is shown in the screen, which is print 10, and we can also print it a calculation such as 5 plus 3. So the Python actually calculate the expression and display the answer 18. So whenever you want to display something on screen, just use print function. Another important difference you need to understand as a beginner is how to write text or numbers in Python. When we write text in Python, we use quotation marks at both ends of the text, while we write numbers there are no quotations. In simple, for text we write print, then parenthesis and then quotation with text, while on the other hand numbers are written in simple way. In short, you can remember that text means quotation marks and number means no quotation marks. Every beginner made a common mistake that is shown in the form of print function with quotation marks and without quotation marks. You can see that for text we always use quotation marks, and for numbers we don't use any quotation marks. Now it's your turn. Let's do our first Python code, and it's a challenge for you. I'm using my own data to show how we can write code in Python. So firstly, I'm going to print my name on screen. So I write the code line in such a way: print parenthesis quotation, my name is Reena. The second code line is print 20 plus 10, and the third code line is print parenthesis quotation, I am learning Python. So for now, pause video for a few seconds and try to predict the output yourself and write below in the comments. Here you can see the output results, and I want to make it clear that don't worry, don't panic. This is just a beginning of our Python learning journey. In the next video, we will learn about more important concepts of Python. So don't just watch my videos, code along with me and practice it, make your mini projects. So see you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.